There's a story behind every recipe. Whether it's a family tradition or something you just concocted, a recipe captures a moment, creates a memory. That's why, to me, cooking is more than just food. It's art. It's a means of self-expression and love. And because I think of cooking as a way for me to express my creativity, I consider myself somewhat of an artist. And like most struggling artists just starting out in the world, I am downright broke. But for me, cooking is a journey and a challenge. I believe there are no flavors you don't like, just tastes you haven't acquired yet. I might be a chef on a dime, but I'm never actually hungry. I am the starving chef, and I will write for food.